So I want to show you this wake up light, which has all these features. It's a sleep lamp. You could change the colors, has an alarm, has a clock on it. And let's show you. So here it is. Here's the clock. On the bottom, you change the clock. So with this feature, just adjust the clock, plus or minus, the alarm clock. And the T is for the timer. So if you wanted 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour. All right, up here, if you just tap it, that's the first setting. Tap it again, it gets brighter, and tap it again, that's the brightest. If you wanted to change colors, you just hold it, and it changes colors. You tap it, it changes to the next color. Tap it again. So that's 5 different colors. Actually a few more. So there you go. Let's turn off the light and see how it looks.